Hello car friends, every recommendation in this video has been confirmed by professionals at the shop, so relax, your problem has a solution. If your Mazda shows the message Dynamic Stability Control Malfunction, the first thing you should know is that it doesn't mean the car is going to lose control on its own. What it does mean is that the system that helps you maintain stability during cornering, rain, or hard braking has been temporarily disabled as a safety precaution. The DSC system works together with the ABS and traction control, so when one of them complains, the others usually raise their hand too. That's why on many Mazda vehicles this warning appears along with the ABS or TCS lights, which already gives us the first clue about where the problem might be. According to mechanics, the most common cause is the wheel speed sensors. If one of them is dirty, damaged, or has a worn or loose wire, the system receives incorrect data and shuts itself down to protect the vehicle. Mud, dust, rust, or even a small hit to the suspension can be enough to trigger the message. Following that same line, many people report that the warning appeared after washing the car, driving in heavy rain, or traveling on dirt roads. Why? Because moisture or dirt interferes with the sensors. In many cases, simply cleaning them thoroughly or letting them dry completely made the error disappear on its own. If the message is still there, the next suspect is the steering angle sensor. This sensor tells the car which direction you're turning the wheel, and if it becomes miscalibrated, for example after a battery replacement or a wheel alignment, the DSC system gets confused. In this case, turning the car off and back on isn't enough. It needs to be recalibrated with a scan tool. And speaking of the battery, yes, a weak battery can also trigger this warning. Mechanics often mention that an old battery or low voltage can cause random ghost errors to appear. They replace the battery and magically the DSC system comes back to life. It's not always the cause, but it's definitely something to check before spending unnecessary money. If none of that works, then you're moving into more serious territory, reading the codes with an advanced scanner. Not a generic one, but a scanner that can access Mazda's ABS and DSC modules. That's where the exact code usually shows up, telling you whether the problem is a specific sensor, a communication fault, or in rare cases, the DSC module itself.